espresso machine.
Wow. This thing was about $12. That's the Golden Gate Bridge all the way in the fog. Welcome back. We're gonna spend this weekend exploring some of the areas around San Francisco. So I've been meaning to come to Point Bonita lighthouse for a couple of years, but it's always closed. And we're finally here today, and the whole trail and lighthouse is open.
It's very easy.
Yeah,
Good for me.
it's a pretty easy walk, and it's only 25 minutes from SF. We're gonna check it out and then explore parts of Marin, get some food at Costco or maybe Ikea, and just take it easy. We're on a really rough bridge crossing the rocks to go see the lighthouse, and it is extremely windy. We made a quick detour and came to Ikea for lunch. Really loved their Swedish meatballs, and we also tried the Havana chicken this time. It's actually pretty good. And our favorite section in Ikea is looking through the display rooms and also shopping through the as-is sections. We got pots.
So cute, so modern.
Getting it for the pothos and for the string of dolphins. I got a new espresso machine. So I've been thinking about getting an espresso machine for quite a while, and I saw a pretty good deal for the Breville infuser on Amazon, and it just got here this afternoon. Super excited to open it and start using it. Ooh. Wow, 2 pressurized and 2 non-pressurized. Pretty much a noob and a pro filter. Wow, it's so nice. The cup for the milk frother. There's a really large water filter back here, so hopefully it means that I don't have to refill the water too frequently. This is the drip tray down here.
Thought I found, oh, I she's mine. Let's just take it slowly. 늦은 어떤 배 같은 곳을 바라보고 있잖아. Go anywhere you want to. Underneath the pressure, oh, sometimes wish I knew it too.
It's a Wednesday and we came out to get dinner at Cordon Bleu Vietnamese. It's this hole in the wall that I came a long time ago and it's really good. It's a very retro diner style. I'm really excited to be getting these Vietnamese. It's almost the weekend, and tonight we're gonna have Wes and Xavier over and we're making Chirashi Bowls. We went to Kukchi Market earlier to get some sashimi, and now I'm gonna try to make my own shoyu sauce. Pretty much soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. We got these end pieces of sashimi. They were much cheaper because they're end pieces and they are $18.99 per pound. And this thing was about $12. We also got a tray of the Escolar Saku. It's pretty much white buttery fish. It's more expensive, but it is so good. We already took 2 bites.
How's your schedule tomorrow?
Doesn't matter.
We're like,